Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Chime Noise by rockratzero. This is pretty fun. The blue and the red cosmetic is just cosmetics. We just need to worry about this gray line here. But let's go over all the rules. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, meaning in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have this gray line in the grid. It's just fancily drawn, but you can see that the line, what cells it visits and in what order, that's all that matters. So it is both a palindrome line and a parity line. So palindrome means it reads the same forwards and backwards. So if this was, I'm just going to fill in like 1, 2, 3, 4. And from this end, it would also have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then like this could be 5, and then this could be anything like 1 again. So it just has to read the same forward and backwards. So it reads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then from this end, it reads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's how palindromes work, but it is also a parity line, which means every other digit on the line has to, basically, as you move along the line, you have to swap between even and odd. So if this digit was even, this digit needs to be odd, then this digit needs to be even, then this digit needs to be odd, then this digit needs to be even, etc. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right. Always good to have an excuse to color. So I am going to color evens blue and odds orange, as I usually do. And but the thing is, we don't know what parity this starts as. We know these two are the same digit entirely because of the palindrome. Basically, a good way to think about palindromes is clones. So this cell's the same as this one, this cell's the same as this one, this cell's the same as this one, etc. So I'm going to use green and purple. So we know this one's green, this one's green, this one's green, this one. So we know these are green, and then every other here is purple. And at some point, we will figure out which one's even and which one's odd, and then we'll change the green to the correct color and the purple to the correct color. But we know that they're opposites right now. So what we know here is this has to be green because every row, column, and box has 3 evens and 3 odds. So we needed a third green in this column. So if green was blue, if green was even, then we'd have all our evens for the box, but we don't necessarily know that that's true. Let's see, what can we do with this? It might have to do with what digits can't be. So this digit is this digit. It can't be 3 or 5. So if it was odd, it would be a 1. It can't be 2 or 6. So if it was even, it would be a 4. This digit is this digit. If it was even, it would have to be a 6. If it was odd, I don't think it sees any odd digits. So it could be any of the odd digits. 1, 3, 5. So that's not super helpful. Let's look at this one here. So this, again, can't be 2 or 4 because this one sees 2 and this one sees 4. And we know they're the same digit because of the palindrome. So it would be, again, it would be 6 if it were even. So I guess something we just learned is that if this is even, it's 6. And if this is even, it's 6. So we know at least, we know exactly one of them is even. And so the 6 does go in one of these 2 cells here. So where does 6 go in this box? These 6s point in, this 6 looks in, and this can't be a 6. Because it's cloned down here and sees that 6. So that places the 6 here, which is blue. And that places the 6 here, which then tells us that purple is blue. So purple is blue, green is orange. So we can clean that up a bit. And then we know that this has to be the 1. Very nice. All right, we have all our oranges for this row. So these are blue, and they're a 2-4 pair. This is 2-4, which then goes down here, making this a 2-4. This is the middle, so it doesn't have a duplicate. But here, this is odd, and it can't be 1 or 3. So that's 5. That removes 5 from both of these. They are the same digit as each other. Okay. So this digit here has to be the 6, blue 6. This is a blue 6, and we're done with 6s. Let's see, we need, this is 4, 5. I don't think we know what that is yet. This is 1, 2, 3. I'm going to fill that out. This can't be 1. In fact, this is 2, 3, 4 for the row. This is, oh, okay. Yeah, because 1, 5, 6, we can only put 1, 5, 6 down here as well. So this can't be 3. This is 1. That puts a 1 there. And then this has to be the 5, and that's the 4. So this is odd. This is even. Use the roping. And so then this is a 3, 4 pair. Can we expand on our coloring at all right now? We can put a 1 down here. This is a 2, 3 pair. So that's a 1, and that's orange. This also is orange for the box then. That's a 3. That's not a 3, 2, 4 pair. So that's a 3. That's orange. This is blue 2. This is just for the box. This is orange. For the row, this is blue, and it's a 2. That's 4 and 2. That's 4. That's 2. Oh, we could have said that was blue. That's 4. That's 2. We have 3 and 4 here, and all of our evens are done. Our odds are almost done. So these are both odd because all our evens are done. So this is a 5, this is a 3, this is a 3, and this is a 5. Very nice. Fun coloring puzzle, and neat theme there. So thanks, Rockrat. That was neat. I enjoyed that. It was fun thinking about these pointing 6s were actually the important thing. Thinking about, okay, well, one of these is even, and the only even that can go on either of them is a 6. So therefore, there's a 6. And then that pointed in, placing that 6. And then from there, it was very smooth. So really neat. And I got an opportunity to color. So hope you enjoyed this as well. If you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.